Alright guys, today we have two hanger boxes of 1718 Prestige. These are $9.98 a piece at Walmart. Grabbed me a couple of them. I have had luck with these this year. I've pulled two autos this year out of the Prestige hanger boxes, so I have had some luck with them. So here we go. So, as you can see, 60 cards, two exclusive micro etch rookie orange inserts. So here we go. First box. Let's see what we get. Two autos I pulled were DJ Wilson rookie, and I think it was Wesley Awandu was the other one. Which still, get up there, Kawhi. Still a good deal for $10. All right, here we go. Mark Gasol, Paul Millsap, Kemba Walker, Dario Saric, Tim Hardaway, Kevin Love, Harrison Barnes, Solomon Hill, Vince, LeBron. I do not have either one of those, I don't think. Probably my two favorites. Vucevic, Kid Gilchrist, Giannis, Beasley, Gordon Hayward, Wesley Matthews, Dennis Schroeder, Victor Oladipo, Delly, KCP, Blake Griffin, Sean Kilpatrick. Here's a John Wall, as you can see, missed parallel. Gary Harris, that's also a missed. Wesley Awandu rookie, that's the missed version. It's a pretty good box. There's Alonzo Ball rookie class. Blake Griffin highlight reel. Jimmy Butler stars of the NBA. Malik Monk rookie class. Malik Monk hardcore heroes. All-time greats Reggie Miller. As he falls down, here's a Kawhi Leonard stat stars parallel. Kevin Durant stars of the NBA. Tony Bradley orange parallel rookie. And there's a good one. Jason Tatum, the orange micro etch. It's a good pull right there. Man, it's a Malik Monk pack. Rookie class, that's the missed parallel. Reggie Jackson, Semi Ojeleye rookie, Eric Bledsoe, Terrence Ferguson rookie, Jeff Teague, Dylan Brooks rookie, Jimmy Butler, TJ Leaf rookie, Andre Roberson, Thomas Bryant rookie, Russell Westbrook, Justin Jackson rookie. Dang, that's a good box. There's another Lonzo Ball rookie, Alex Lynn, Sindarius Thornwell rookie, Rudy Gay, Tyler Lydon rookie, Trevor Ariza, Teodosic rookie, CJ Miles, Jonathan Isaac rookie, Melo, Tony Bradley rookie, and Otto Porter Jr. So, this Kawhi Leonard just wants to lay down. Kind of like he did on the Spurs this year. So there's two Ball rookies and a Tatum rookie in that box. So let's move on to box number 2. Man, that was a good box. Loaded. Here we go. So who we need? Maybe a Dennis Smith Jr., Donovan Mitchell, Tyler Dorsey rookie, Kyle Lowry, Bam Adebayo rookie, Is that Reggie Jackson again? Semi Ojeleye rookie again. Eric Bledsoe again. Terrence Ferguson rookie again. Jeff Teague. It's kind of the same pack. I'm done with a few Kawhi. Dylan Brooks rookie. Jimmy Butler. TJ Leaf rookie. Wesley Iwundu rookie. Steven Adams. There's a different rookie. Frank Ntilikina. Gortat, who I really like this guy. Josh Hart rookie. Klay Thompson. De'Aaron Fox rookie. Nurkic. Markelle Fultz rookie. Markieff Morris. UBCL. Murdered that one, probably rookie. Malik Monk. That's my guy today. Malik Monk rookie. That's the missed parallel. Drew Holiday missed. Russell Westbrook missed. Larry Legend, all-time greats. Chris Middleton, hardcore heroes. TJ Leaf rookie class. Here's a Giannis highlight reel. Kawhi Leonard, stars of the NBA. Frank Ntilikina rookie class. Hardcore heroes. DeMarcus Cousins. Julius Erving, all-time greats. And here's our orange micro etch rookies. Tony Bradley. I think I got him in the last one, didn't I? I think so. And Frank Ntilikina. All-time greats, Karl Malone. That's the missed parallel. Buddy Hield. D. Rose. Evan Fournier. Marc Gasol. Paul Millsap. Kemba Walker. Dario Saric. Tim Hardaway Jr. This is looking a lot like my last one. Kevin Love again. Harrison Barnes again. Solomon Hill again. Vince Carter again. Dirk. Chandler Parsons. Juan Hernan Gomez. Another Kid Gilchrist. Another Giannis. Beasley. Another Hayward. Wesley Matthews. Another Schroeder. Another Oladipo. Another Daly. Another KCP. So there you have it. Two boxes. 60 cards in each box. But as you can see, that's loaded with a lot of good stuff. Probably, I would say the best card that I pulled out of those, take you back here to it's probably the Tatum orange micro etch parallel. Alright guys, that's it. $10. I'd say that's a good hanger to buy right there. 17, 18 Prestige. Alright guys, see you next time.